Can you believe it? 110 degrees already. Wow. This week we move again, and yes, we're back to running our generator for about an hour so we can leave the ACs on during the tear down, move, and setup. Without it, the rig would take forever to cool down. It's a short trip, but the process takes a little time. Summer is here, so the fan goes back on the fridge's coils. Yeah, it does help. Krista's another mod to Beast, our tow vehicle.
Love the smell. Well, it's been an interesting move. Nothing big. It's just we kind of got started a little bit late. We got everything packed up and ready to go kind of at the last minute. And we haven't done that in quite a while. So it's fixed up. We're at our new park. Well, one of the other parks that we have been visiting since we've had to deal with the cancer. And there's hardly anybody here either. It's kind of nice. We've got the whole place to ourselves, and this place is massive. Back again in a minute. Remember the last time you fell in, buddy? Yeah. We're back at the new park, or the old park, or we're just at a park. We're starting to deal with 100 plus days. Today it's supposed to get to 108 degrees. Wow. If we get started early and keep everything buttoned up, the 3 ACs can just kind of barely handle it. We're out doing our morning walk, and as soon as I get through with this and we get back to the RV, I need to put the fan back into the rear of the refrigerator on the outside to help aid in cooling, because it's going to get tough to be able to keep anything cold in that thing with all this heat out here. It's just the way things are. We'll get through it. Not a whole lot of this summer is left. We just had the 4th, and it was a wonderful day. Grizz didn't enjoy the noise, but he was real happy to just kind of sit in the bed with us and work on his little chew toy and try to get some sleep. As long as he was touching one of us, or both of us, he was real happy. We're going to take it easy. I'm going to take a run over to a friend of mine's, Jerry's, and I think we've got some mail there that we're going to pick up, and then head back home. Shelley really liked the chicken gnocchi that I made the other night. It's kind of a Olive Garden rip-off recipe. It was good. It was excellent. So I may stop by the store on the way home and pick up some more fixings for that to make her day a little bit easier, more relaxed. Moving is always rough on her, and but she does really good. So we'll give that a shot. We'll take it easy. I got to spend part of the day with Chuck and Carrie and their family, and I had a wonderful time there. Chuck is an excellent firehouse cook. We had great burgers, dogs, and beans, and we enjoyed the 4th. It was awesome. So I hope you guys had a wonderful 4th of July and a nice, safe one, and we're just going to get through the summer together. Love you guys very much. Thank you. Talk to you later.
Insiders, we hope you're having a great summer that's full of memories.
Do you Fumoto? We do now. This little device is going to make oil changes a breeze. It's a valve that replaces your oil pan's drain plug and makes changing the oil cleaner and easier. No longer will we have to remove the messy drain bolt for scheduled oil changes. Now we can just stick a piece of silicone rubber type tubing on the valve's nipple, remove the safety clip, flip the lever, and dump the oil. If you were filling jugs, just stick the hose in the container and let her rip. No need to stop and replace the jug, just flip the lever. Done? Flip the lever off, remove the tube, wipe it down, and replace the safety clip. Pretty doggone handy and easy to put in. No more problems with those grease monkeys stripping out the oil pan's drain plug and you having to replace the entire pan. Now it's just flip a lever. I think this is going to be a good addition to our F450, our tow truck.
There's a link to the Fumoto in the comments. Make sure that you order the correct one for your vehicle. And please, travel safe.